Rolling?
Rolling.
Or no, keep pointing at me.
Oh, okay.
Hey there, I've been wanting to just do a little something about the Alesis Surge Drum Kit. You can go ahead and just get a shot of it. I'm really impressed with this for the money. I've had it a couple months now, and it just instantly worked, like right out of the box. Everything worked. The quote dreaded hi-hat issues that people have sometimes, the hi-hat's like tracking perfectly, and it's just really good. And so now I actually have my friend Mr. David Parker, who's a professional drummer here, and we're doing some tracks, and he was really pleased with the tracking on the hi-hat. I'm sorry, the
all of it, really.
Yeah, but the snare.
The snare and the hat particularly. See, there's like a fast, you know, medium slow double stroke roll, and getting into a that's tracking just beautifully. It's really tracking nice. Soft hits on the kick, hard hits. There you go. Let's see. I might adjust the mix where, you know, bring the hat down a little bit. Here, I'll play Sweetest Taboo. So yeah, they rebound really nicely, these mesh heads.
Go ahead and turn the volume down all the way for a second. Let's hear how loud it is without.
You mean, yeah, without.
So that's super quiet. Like, I think you could play that in just what, almost any apartment, and
Yeah, I mean, if you're upstairs,
the kick you'd want.
they might hear that, but yeah, put some padding under it. Maybe not. Probably not.
And hit the cymbals a little bit.
Yeah.
They're just not loud. It's really doable.
Yeah.
So for $500,
Yeah.
I think here you go, dude.
Might seriously make me think about one of these. I've never owned any kit yet.
So for
$500. Oh.
So for $500, I think it's pretty much a no-brainer for home studios and recording, and the built-in sounds are really decent. And of course, you can trigger BFD and slate drums, whatever your favorite virtual
Superior
instrument
drummer.
is, or get a Pearl Mimic Brain for it or whatever. But yeah, super happy. One thing I wanted to mention, the cymbals, and excuse the dust. This didn't come with it, and I just got an extra cymbal from Amazon. This is a Pintech cymbal that I added to it, but it's already got the inputs for it. So I just got an extra cymbal and cymbal stand. But yeah, thumbs up. All right.